Hi, we're Josh and Steph, and we have been married for almost 20 years.
We have 3 kids who practically grew up in breweries. Over the last decade, we have visited over 200 breweries in multiple countries. Last year, we started to document our trips to the breweries so that we could share our experiences with you.
Also in this time, we have taken our passion and love of craft beer and started home brewing.
In January, we made a big announcement. We bought a combi keg that was restored in Bali and shipped across the Pacific Ocean to California.
We hope you enjoy as we share our adventures. We begin this leg of our trip in Juneau, Alaska, the capital. We start off by visiting Mendenhall Glacier Visitors Center, which was absolutely breathtaking.
Spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always will from the day we met.
We went on an easy, little over half-mile walk down a beautiful pathway and ended up right at the base of the glacier and this beautiful waterfall.
The setting was absolutely amazing and picturesque. I was especially excited to launch my drone for the first time in Alaska to take in this beautiful natural wonder.
Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again?
We had a beautiful drive back to town before we ended up in downtown at one of the most popular bars in the area.
Dedicate to my wife. You're cheating, hard.
Go.
Alright, this is our famous death bar. Bottom layers, Kahlua, middle layers, Bailey's, top is Crown. We say, no sipping, no stirring, no sharing, quack, quack, knock that shit back.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Bye.
Hi, friends. We have made it to
Juneau, Alaska.
So there are 2 breweries in this town, and this is the capital of Alaska. You can't get here by a car, though. You have to come by boat or airplane, because it's landlocked. So, we're going to check out the first of those breweries. We just finished up the Red-Dog Saloon.
Yep.
That was awesome. If you're in Anchorage, no. If you're in Juneau, you gotta check out the Red-Dog Saloon and order duck farts.
You won't be disappointed.
You gotta check it out for yourself. I won't tell you anymore. Just order the duck farts. So we just finished up at Barnaby Brewing Company.
Oh my gosh, guys. So when you're in Juneau, 2 things. Red-Dog Saloon and Barnaby Brewing. It doesn't matter what order, but those are the 2 places you need to focus. Oh, and there's a big glacier too.
Oh yeah.
But
the views out of the brewery were amazing. You look up the hill, snow, ice, waterfalls. More on that later. The beers were really, really good.
and the company was good too.
And it wasn't so dang crowded.
Oh, and you can afford it.
Out of all the breweries we've been to since leaving Seattle, and including Seattle, this was the most affordable brewery.
Yeah, I think it's cheaper than Florida.
Yeah, probably so. Check it out.
Porcelain stuck to your teeth. You got porcelain under your skin, and I'm all for it. Again and again and again. For someone you don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain.
We just stopped at Devil's Club Brewing. After leaving Barnaby Brewing Company, what?
You were good.
Okay. After leaving Barnaby Brewing Company, we went to Devil's Club Brewing. So the name, don't let it dissuade you. This is a place you have to check out.
Absolutely. Would you believe that one of our bartenders is from Lakeland, Polk County, y'all, up here in Juneau, Alaska?
Pretty
You
crazy.
can only get here by boat or plane, so that's pretty incredible.
Yeah. Great beer selections, great venue. They have food choices. This is the view just
you see
outside the
this?
brewery. Just up the street, there's a distillery that we're going to check out later after we have dinner on the ship.
Yep.
So,
Follow along.
second brewery, must see, definitely. Check it out.
Juneau. Who knew?
And it's in an old theater. It's really cute.
Yep.
Back to the ship.
Know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain.
So Alaska is absolutely stunning. There are seaplanes taking off, snow-covered mountains, everywhere you look. It's crazy. Our ship is right here. We just got finished eating dinner on the ship. Our ship doesn't push off until 9 o'clock tonight. And we're headed back out.
Hey, Florida friends. Look how bright it is. This is 7 o'clock.
Yeah, more impressively, it's not so much that it's 7 o'clock now and bright, it's that it'll be 10 o'clock and still this bright. And then if you leave your blinds open like we do, at 3:30, it's this bright again. So it's like 5.5 hours of night.
It's not even night. It's like twilight.
Yeah, it's like twilight. The sun is still quite high in the sky. It is now 8:30. Probably 2 more hours before the sun goes away, but we actually can see it today, which is quite remarkable. It's been pretty cloudy up until this point. This is the first blue skies and sun we've seen in some time. So maybe tonight we'll see a sunset at 10:30-ish, followed by a sunrise promptly at 2:30, 3 o'clock-ish. Anyway, it's beautiful. Dark. There it is. It's following us. I see it. It's dark. There it is. It's following us.